Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today we're gonna be unboxing another set of succulents that I bought online. So I came across this succulent shop that sells Echeveria Strictiflora and I decided to immediately purchase it kasi I haven't seen this kind of succulent before, and tingnan natin if it could really meet our expectations. So it comes in this kind of packaging, nakalagay siya sa styro box because it's the winter season here, and aside from that one, yung mga succulents natin are individually wrapped in this parang blanket. So this one would actually help na hindi mag-freeze yung ating mga succulents while in transit, especially na nagbi-below zero nga dito sa China this time. So aside from this parang warmer na ito, it is still individually wrapped by with a tissue paper, and inside may ganito siya, so just to protect yung ating mga succulents. So we have here yung ating cubic frost. So ito yung mga succulents na kasama nung ating Echeveria Strictiflora. So kumbaga it's a set. So yung 4 succulents only cost about 100 pesos. So kumbaga it's only 25 pesos each. Ayan. So actually, I was continuously unpacking or unwrapping these succulents until I didn't realize na unpack na pala natin yung Strictiflora. So I was actually expecting that white Echeveria Strictiflora, pero as you can see, there's something similar to the picture that I have shown you earlier, but still, diba? At least I have tried, and probably I won't try buying succulents online again kasi it didn't really meet my expectation. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this one. Ito yung parang caution na ginagamit nila dito sa China to protect our succulents. So I don't know what kind of material is this, pero it's very soft and sobrang kumbaga mabilis, hindi siya nagbubuhol-buhol, mabilis siyang ma-untangle. Ayan. So these are the succulents that we've got here. So they are actually potted, and parang ano lang to mga to, parang token sizes lang sila, and I will be repotting them in a while later. So if you're wondering kung nasaan si Echeveria Strictiflora, ito po siya. So this is the reality of the Echeveria Strictiflora that we have ordered. And upon checking online, if you're gonna search Echeveria Strictiflora, ganito actually yung mga lumalabas na pictures. So may mga lumabas na parang white na Strictiflora, but again, even if I visited the succulent shops here in China, wala pa talaga akong nakita na ganun na color. So I don't know if that succulent is really real or it's like AI generated. Ayan. So ito yung mga bago nating addition, and probably this week I will be visiting a succulent shop again to check if may mga bago tayong mabibiling succulents. So ito yung mga nagamit sa kanilang packaging. So for only 100 pesos, talagang nag-effort sila sa packaging, diba? So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.